Good evening, businessmen, women, and entrepreneurs. Have been sharing with you a successful business tips, and I told you previously that I'm going to share good tips of a successful business. And when you follow these tips, your business will be successful. And I said this is only magic. This is the basic principles of any business. Now, and I told you that one, you have to get organized. And secondly, I told you that you have to create a plan. It could be a formal plan, a formal business plan, or it could be just a document of all the activities of your business. And we also said that you need to learn to be flexible in your business plan, in your business activities. Learn to be flexible. You can watch the video for details. And today I will be talking to you about making regular customers feel remembered. As a customer, you want to feel remembered. Now, if you are not feel remembered, you feel disappointed, and invariably you stop patronizing that business. Now, how do you get your customers remembered? When ask your customers if they need more information. Ensure that your customers are satisfied with the information they are getting from you, and ask if they need more information, making it clearer for them to understand how your business operates and how the transactions are made in order for them to be able to patronize you accordingly. And two, give timely and valuable answers to customers' questions. You need to give direct answers that are very vital to your customers. When your customer asks you a question, ensure to give the customer a direct, vital answer that will be satisfactory to the customer. Then thirdly, I want you to understand that you should let your customer service, make your customers feel connected to your company or business. This is very important. As a big or large business, you have a customer service unit, and this customer service unit must ensure that the customers are well treated in such a way that they feel that they are part of your company, they are part of your business. And when this is done, I tell you nothing but the truth, you've locked in these customers, and they will keep patronizing you until you have no business to transact with them. And lastly, I want you to understand that you need to offer your customers value for their money. Offer your customers value for their money, since both you and the customer depends on each other. Now, I want you to understand this. If you don't offer your customer value, your customer will stop patronizing you, because he pays heavily for that service, and the money he pays for that service is his or our own hard-earned money. So he needs value in return for the money he's paying for the service or for the product. Now, these are some of the vital business tips that you need to put in your own grasp and practice them accurately. When we meet again, we'll talk about the fifth successful business tip. Don't forget to follow us, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and ensure that you tick the bell so that when I post this video on the fifth successful business tip, immediately you'll be notified so that you can watch the video, get these tips, and grow your business. I don't want you to forget that for your business to be successful and stand the test of time, you need to put in energy, put in your resources, put in your time. Don't play with your business, and don't play with your customers. They are very important. They depend on you to deliver value, and you depend on them to pay you for the value that you are delivering. Stay tuned till we meet again.